So let me try entering in long one more time. If I get filled, we'll put another stop here and whoops. Damn, that was really quick. Today was a rough day. Not too many winners, but a few losers, and ended up hitting my max daily loss of $300. I'm just documenting my journey, so maybe you can learn something on what to do or what not to do. If you're new to my channel, my name is BJ. I'm on the path to becoming a consistently profitable day trader, and in these videos, I share my thought processes, my wins and losses to ultimately help you become a better trader. If you want to join me on this journey, hit the like button, smash the subscribe, and let's jump into the charts. Yeah, I did not enter into this trade, but I do see a sweep of liquidity here. There's an order block. We could have entered in short here, stopped right above there, and then targeted the first fair value gap here, and we could have gotten filled. That would have been a 2R trade. Got filled. Trying to get short on this. Very tight stop. Maybe too much risk. Not sure, but I want to get out on this fair value gap. I'm watching how price reacts right here. Oh, that was just a terrible trade. Not sure why I did that. I know I'm in this consolidation. Thought I'd continue going lower, but we are also in a discount, and so I should not be making these trades, especially in these types of environments. So no trades until we are done shopping around for a bit. So it looks like price took out liquidity. It is going lower on the 1 minute. Looks like there is a change of character here. I want to see where I can enter in short. I put in an order on this gap. We'll see if price wants to tag me in. So it will be a 1.5R trade. We are tagged in, and I'm gonna try to exit right here with all these wicks. Price is respecting this mean threshold, which is a good sign. On the 5 minute, there is fair value gap right here. Some more right here, so I'm actually not sure where price wants to go, but I'm making this trade just because price did go below here, which indicates a change of character. If the stop gets hit, just means I'm wrong, which is okay. Getting ready to get stopped. One tick away. I guess this is what people call good losses, right? It took out liquidity, had a change of character here, and if I get stopped out, that's fine. It just means I was wrong. I guess in the future, I could have closed out early before I got stopped when I just recognized, hey, I'm wrong, and I think I just need to be more confident that the fact it didn't bounce immediately off this should have been an indication that, hey, I'm wrong. I'm looking at why I got stopped. The drawn liquidity on the 1 hour is definitely to the CE of this wick, or also the new week opening gaps right here. So I tried entering short when the drawn liquidity was up here, and so that is why I lost that trade. The key is to look at higher time frame biases and trade accordingly. Seems like there is a change of character on the 15 second. Yeah, this might actually just be my last trade. Entered in with lots of slippage, did not use a limit order, and yeah, after this I'm gonna hit my max loss, so gonna be done for the day. Yeah, it's possible I just get wicked out, stopped, and then we'll run lower, but I don't know, trusting the algorithm. Perfect, so it's inside the fair value gap. I just want to hit just a tick or more. Perfect, we hit the target. Awesome to see. Really bad entry, disappointed in my entry. Entered using a market order, got slipped a few ticks, which was really bad, and it's all good. Did exit literally perfectly right here on this order block, so I am happy about that. Entered in long right here on this order block on the 15 second, or because price came into this fair value gap, I am bullish on it. It may continue going higher, but oof, actually, I mean, get out. Jeez, that was rough. Yeah, this is why I always target this. I was targeting way up here, but this is not necessarily a great trade. Targeting the first order block is probably the best. Got slipped a little, but it is all good. I did not get filled, so I'm trying to get in on this order block, putting a very tight stop. I don't know, in hindsight, this is actually a really bad trade. And there we go, got stopped. Yeah, bad trade. I knew what not to do, but I still did it. I tried to get short in a discount PD array, and that is something I need to not do. Looks like we do have a breaker, low, high, lower, low. Let's see if I get filled. I'm gonna put a stop right underneath here, very tight stop, and let's see how it goes. I'm gonna target this gap right here. So I need to see how this 1 minute closes. I entered in before it even closed. Not a great trade. Here we got 12 seconds. If it doesn't close above the black bar on the 1 minute, I am out. So I got out because it was a, I don't know, pretty risky trade. Wasn't really the best. There is a fair value gap here. I may try to enter in on here, or maybe I shouldn't, just because 5 minute hit this order block. So I don't know. I am a little conflicted. So it means these are low quality trades and I should not be taking them. Guess I should have stayed in. Like, I think I know how to read price action, but literally sometimes I don't, and I'm making assumptions when it's not necessarily the truth. So let me try entering in long one more time. If I get filled, we'll put another stop here, and whoops. Damn, that was really quick. I guess I should trust my intuition and just not be reckless like that. I don't know, I literally talked about the 5-minute hitting this and I'm still trying to enter in long just for the sake of catching a trade, and I don't know, I think this is just really reckless trading because I know it's not a high quality trade and I'm still doing it. So plus I saw there was a fair value gap, I jammed my stop, but regardless I hit my max daily loss, so I am done for the day. I hit my max daily loss, but I'm just watching this, takes out liquidity, punches through fair value gap, order block. This is the perfect entry, and if I entered right here I would have been filled exactly, and just watching the price I think it wants to come right here and I would have put my stop down here. For some reason I'm just having a hard time trusting my trading. I don't know why, but this is how I would do it. This would be a 2-hour trade. Now let's see how this plays out. Again, did not participate in this because I just made really dumb trades, so I hit my max loss. Even though I know the setup, I saw the setup, I did not participate and just really disappointed in myself. But regardless, here it is playing out, and so yeah, just need to trust the process and go with it. Would have been a 2.3-hour trade. Yeah, it's never fun when you hit your max daily loss, but that's why I'm documenting this journey. It gets stressful, right? It's not too many winners. Definitely I need to change something about my trading, a lot about my trading. I do know that I have a lot of room for improvement, and that's why I'm documenting this journey, just so someone who's also going through something similar can see this and know that, hey, you're not alone. You may be making similar mistakes, more mistakes, less mistakes, and we're all growing together. If you enjoyed this video, I think you're going to love this video.